All right, guys, this is page 39, still of lesson 1.5. This says, write the number another way. This is the same thing that we did on page 38. And if you need to look back at it so that you can see how to spell the number words, please do that. So 2 10s and 4 1s, I can write it in a different way. I'm going to write it in expanded form, which is 20 plus 4. And then 30, they gave it to me in number word form, but it wants me to write it in 10s and 1s. This time it didn't give you just a blank, it gave you what it actually wants you to write. So how many 10s are in 30? 3. And how many 1s are in 30? 0. Sometimes if it helps you, you can go back, and if it's written in a different way than standard form, go ahead and just put it in standard form out from it. So I know that 30 is 30. And then that way, if you need to do your 10s and your 1s, it's much easier for you to figure out. Okay, it's a little trick for you guys. 13 and 14, I'm going to do 13 with you, and you'll do 14 on your own. 11 and 12, I want you to do on your own as well. You can go ahead and pause this video. Anytime that I tell you to go ahead and do something on your own, you can pause the video, do them, and then start back again, okay? It says Lee has a favorite number. The number has the digit 3 in the 1s place. Whoops, my paper slipped. And the digit 9 in the 10s place. What is another way to write this number? So another way. 3 in the 1s place and 9 in the 10s place. So I'm going to make my 10s and 1s chart. What number did it say was in the 1s place? 3. And the number in the 10s place? 9. Okay, I'm going to write this as 90 plus 3, which is in expanded form. I could also write it in word form or standard form. I want you to do this one on your own, but I am going to cube it with you. I'm going to box greater than 5 in the 1s place, box 1s place, and a digit less than, box less than, 5 in the 10s place. What could be Dan's number? So by cubing these, it lets us see what sticks out. Well, greater than 5 in the 1s place, less than 5 in the 10s place. That's really all we need to know, okay? When you come down to the bottom, I want you to, you can do this after you finish these. You'll watch the Math on the Spot video that I've linked in your Wednesday assignment, and then do this according to the Math on the Spot video. It'll help you do that, okay? Let's see here, page 40. Page 40 is your mid-chapter checkpoint. This is what you're going to do and turn in, okay? So make sure that you do this by yourself and you turn this in. This is your practice and your homework, okay? Remember, you're just writing the numbers in different ways. There are those 4 different ways that we can write numbers. Remember to cube. And then on the back is your spiral review. This is what you've already learned in your previous lessons, so it should be pretty easy.